Okay, next up.
I know. Candlestick scanner.
Okay, now to use this scanner, there's a prerequisite. You need to know the basic candlestick patterns.
And what's that?
This scanner basically aims to identify stocks based on bullish or the bearish candlestick patterns. And the scanning has to be done at the end of the day based on the candlestick patterns that is completed on that day. Many trading softwares as well as some free charting websites provide scanning based on candlestick patterns. Let's take a look at how to use it.
Sure. Why are we not using Trade Tiger?
The Trade Tiger will not give you ready patterns. From the Sharekhan website, we can shortlist the patterns using the pattern finder. The scanner gives you a list of stocks. So step 1, visit www.sharekhan.com and click on pattern finder. Step 2, click on stocks. Step 3, click on daily and candlestick patterns. Step 4, note down the list of stocks with their candlestick patterns. The scanner scans through the entire universe of stocks listed on the exchange and throws up a list of stocks that have both bullish and bearish candlestick patterns. However, you should trade only in the stocks with the average volume higher than 5 lakh shares.
How do I check the volume of these stocks?
You can find using Trade Tiger.
Okay.
The idea here too is to go long on stocks with bullish patterns and to go short on stocks with bearish patterns.
But this sounds like a long process. So why use this technique?
Because trading using candlestick pattern is low risk, high reward trading strategy.
Then I must definitely use this.
Now let's look at the stocks this scanner had given me when I had run it. I found Aurobindo Pharma had an engulfing bear candlestick pattern and Canara Bank had a bullish harami candlestick pattern. Here you can notice that we have engulfing bear candle. This engulfing bear candle appeared at a resistance level. So when I combined this candlestick pattern with a support and resistance trading strategy, I got a ready-made trade setup. As I said previously, to use this scanner, you need some basic knowledge of technical analysis.
So it is a good opportunity to go short.
Niyati is so smart.
Okay, let me reiterate that shorting can be done only in the futures and not in the cash market.
That means you sell high and again buy low.
Correct. Now, if we look at our other example of Canara Bank, we have a bullish harami candle at support.
Excuse me?
अरे हराम is a technical term यार. Obviously, मैं इसको थोड़ी ना बोल रहा हूँ, है ना? अच्छा, now let's see how they fared after I made my entry. So I sold Aurobindo at rupees 790 and bought it back at around rupees 690. While I purchased Canara Bank at rupees 389 and sold at rupees 431 and made a profit in both stocks. Pertaining to this example, let's revise. Sure. Bearish candlestick pattern at resistance is a high probability short. Bullish candlestick pattern at support is a high probability long. Here you need to remember a few pointers. 1. The candlestick patterns should be looked at on daily time frame charts. And second, focus your attention on 10 to 12 basic candlestick patterns to keep things simple. For example, bullish candlestick patterns would be hammer, bullish engulfing, bullish piercing, bullish harami, morning star. And bearish candlestick patterns would be shooting star, bearish engulfing, dark cloud cover, bearish harami, evening star.